This Dimoon wood peel and stick wallpaper has a convincingly realistic grain and texture that looks much closer to real walnut than typical printed contact paper. The long roll length gives generous coverage for accent walls or large furniture projects, so it is easy to handle a full room update without juggling many short pieces. Its rich dark brown tone with a gently weathered look works well in both modern and rustic spaces, blending smoothly with a wide range of floors and furniture finishes. The vinyl surface is thick, waterproof, and stain-resistant, which makes it especially practical for kitchens, bathrooms, and other spots that see frequent splashes or fingerprints. The backing grid and flexible material make it simple to cut cleanly around outlets, cabinet edges, and trim, while still lining up the wood pattern for a seamless appearance. Because the adhesive is strong, yet removable without residue, it is a smart option for renters or anyone who likes to refresh cabinets, walls, or counters without committing to permanent changes.